Hello and welcome to class of Amazon Virtual Private Cloud. So today in this class we are going to discuss about VPC. Now Private Cloud is basically a networking layer of Amazon EC2. So we have like this one as Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. So we have Amazon EC2. Now this one is basically networking layer. So we call it as that this is virtual private cloud. So basically, Virtual Private Cloud is a networking layer of Amazon EC2. Now this allows us to build own virtual network within Amazon Web Services. Because of this, we can build on virtual private cloud or virtual network our own virtual network within Amazon Web Services. Within AWS. Now it controls various aspects of Amazon VPC. Like what are the aspects that it controls? Selecting, like we can select own IP address range, we can select our own IP address range, we can create subnets, we can configure own route tables, we can configure our own route tables, we can configure network gateways, as well as various security settings. Now within a region, like we have a region, we can create multiple Amazon virtual private cloud. If we have a region and we can create multiple VPCs. We can create multiple VPC and each Amazon virtual private cloud is logically isolated even if it shares the same IP address space. So logically, like we have a region. So we can create multiple VPCs in this region and each and every one is isolated from one another even if they are having the same IP ranges. That means if we create an Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, we must specify the IP address range by choosing a CIDR. How do we specify IP address range? Because we have to choose CIDR. Now CIDR stands for classless. This is our classless interdomain routing. This is classless interdomain routing block. CIDR block. Now this is like IP address range of Amazon VPC cannot be changed after VPC is created. That means if we have specified some IP address range, we cannot change after creation of virtual private cloud. Now what is the Amazon VPC address range? It may be large or small. So what are the large? Capacity IP address range if large. So we can have 65653 like 65563 sorry 5 65536 available addresses. And if we talk about small, so in small we have 16 available addresses. So it could be large or it could be small. Now in VPC, it is like we have networking available platforms. we have networking available platforms. We have like EC2 Classic, EC2 Classic, and we have EC2 Virtual Private Cloud. We have EC2 Classic as well and EC2 Virtual Classic. Now, Amazon EC2 originally launched with a single flat network shared with AWS customers called as EC2 Classic because it was launched as a single and a flat network with other AWS customers. Now, AWS, like in Classic, we can create an account prior to the arrival of Amazon VPC. So we can create in a Classic various account. AWS customers can create account in AWS Classic, and we can launch instances in Classic network. Where we have virtual private network, we can launch instances in this also. So this is a networking platform available in Amazon Web Services. Thank you so much.